we all know that condition. First of all, we should know the meaning of condition. Condition means you have a situation, okay, and there are two sentences. First sentence is connected to another sentence, okay, and there are two clause. First of all, you should know the meaning of clause. I taught you about conditional, but I did not tell about clause. Did I tell about clause? You told. So there are two clauses. If clause, okay, and main clause. So if clause, it is very simple actually. It is not difficult. If clause means where if is there. Okay. If there is if, so that is called if clause. And if there is no if, the another sentence which is connected to if, that is called main clause. Now the most important thing is that it is not like this that you have to you have to write if clause in the starting. We think that we have to write down if clause in the starting, but it's not like this. We can write if clause at the end also. Sometimes we can put if clause in the starting also, okay. For example, first of all, let's understand the types of conditions. So there are four types of conditions. How many types? Just a second. Zero, first, second, third. All right. So in zero condition, we talk about facts, the condition which cannot be changed, which is universally true. That is called zero condition. Okay. For example, if I say, if you study hard, you get good marks in exam. Is it true? What do you think? Okay. So what is if clause in this sentence? If you study hard, if you study hard, you get good marks in exam. Right. Now tell me what is if clause in this sentence? If you study hard, this is if clause, okay, and this is main clause. Now can I write like this? You get good marks, you get good marks if you study hard. Is it correct? It's also correct, right? But the difference is, if you, in this sentence, you get good marks if you study hard, this is if clause and this is main clause. Clear? And in zero condition, we talk about facts, okay, and that's why we use simple present tense. Simple present. In if clause also we use simple present. In main clause also we use simple present, okay. And simple present talks about habits, daily routine, okay, and universal fact. So if I say you get good marks, this is also simple present, and if you study hard, this is also simple present. Clear? So zero condition is all about facts, universal facts. We put simple present in if clause, if plus simple present, and in main clause also we put simple present. Are you getting my point? Sure? No? So let me tell you once again. See, conditions which which cannot be changed, you can say, or which is real. real conditions you get in your life. Okay. Simple present. Okay, fine. So first of all, you should understand what is simple present. Present indefinite. Do you know about present indefinite? That is similar to simple present. Okay. So in simple present or in present indefinite, we use simple sentences. Simple sentences are like we do not put any helping verb, and yes, we do not put any is a mar. Okay, was were. We simply write like I go to market. Yes, I go to market. My father goes to market. Okay, we all study. This is called simple present. But in negative, we use don't, do, or does. This is called simple present. Okay, so we have to put here simple present. Okay, in if clause and main clause also simple present. Clear? Now let's talk about first condition. What is it about? First condition talks about if of if clause. Okay, if clause results anything in the future, that is called first condition. So in first condition, if clause, okay, depends on the main clause. Okay, and basically we talk about if you do something, it will reflect in the future. Okay, so that's why we put here if plus simple present. Okay, simple present, and in main clause you have to use simple future, it means will. For example, if you study, if you come at my home, I will go to market with you. If you come at my home, I will go to market with you. You are telling your friend this thing. Your parents also, they tell you that, see, if you get good marks, I will buy a cycle for you, bicycle for you. But they don't. Yes, they buy also sometimes. So first condition, did you understand? First condition is very easy. Okay, so if clause, in if clause we use simple present. Okay, for example, if you learn conditionals, you will teach or you can teach next time, right, on Friday. Okay, fine. Next is second condition. Yes. No, 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 no. We have to use simple present here, and in main clause will. Yes, yes. You can use like this also, like will in the starting, simple future, and if clause you can put here. For example, I will give you chocolate if you perform well. Okay, I will give you a surprise party if you listen to me or if you get good marks in your exam. So did you understand? Now second condition is very nice actually. We use it, and basically it's all about imagination. Okay, so we all imagine something, and we all try to say these kind of sentences in our life also. Like uh, you say like this. For example, if there is any butterfly, and you look at the butterfly and you say that if I were a butterfly, I would fly and I would come to your home, right? And in imagination we say if I were prime minister, I would solve every problem of the country, right? So basically in second condition we use if plus simple past. Simple past, and in main clause we use would. Now one thing which we have to focus, that is we have to use were. if I was, normally what do we use? If I was means normally you say I was very tired, but in condition we use if I were. Yes, were. If I were. It is helping verb. Like I was, I were. Okay. So if I were prime minister, yes, imagination. We are talking about imagination. Fine. For example, you are not a teacher. Okay. I am teacher and I am teaching. So some people must be thinking that if I were teacher, I would speak in Hindi and make people understand this topic. So this is also condition, right? Now last, yes, I understand. Uh, don't worry, I will make you understand in Hindi also. There is no problem in that. I am using very simple language to make you understand with the help of, yes, with the help of examples also you can understand. Okay. So basically, second condition is all about imagination. You imagine something which is not real. Okay. All right. So let's talk about the third one. Okay. I know we have less time, but let's understand. Third condition is all about regret, repent. Regret means you have any guilt. You are saying that you are like in Hindi we say पछतावा. किस चीज का पछतावा होना, right? So third condition is all about it. Okay, like you say that if I had taken science in my 11th class, science stream, I would have taken admission in medical college, or I would have become doctor. You are not doctor, you have not taken science, but you are saying if I had taken, you are regretting. Okay, you are regretting means आपको पछतावा हो रहा है, you are regretting that if I had taken, okay, science in my 11th class science stream, I would have become a doctor. Clear? So third condition talks about, in third condition, in if clause we use simple past, sorry, not simple past, past perfect, past perfect. And in main clause we use would have third form plus third form, would have plus third form of verb. Clear? Okay, I'm giving example. If you had taken admission before 6 months, you would have become, you would have become good speaker of English. You did not take admission before 6 months, but I'm telling this thing, you are, I'm telling just to make sure. Okay, did you understand? So yes, third condition is all about regret, not about only regret, it's about the something which did not happen, and you are saying this thing that if it had happened, okay, it would have happened. Second condition is all about imagination.